So what you may also want to do is go ahead and convert out heights in Jotform. So let's say the one who is filling the form may only know how feet work, or maybe meters work and so forth. So for that, you can go around over here on to, let's say, add element, and over here you can go ahead and type in height, and then you got the height converter, as you can see right here. So now you can see like I got meters and feet right here. So let's see, I'm going to select feet, and I'm going to go ahead and say enter your height right here, just like this. You can even choose centimeters right here or feet right here. So let me just go ahead and preview out the form right here, just like this. And now what you can do is you can go ahead and enter out your height in feet and inches. Let's say, for example, I'm going to say 5 feet 6 inches. Then if I were to go around and click right here, it gets converted into centimeter right here. But if you know like your centimeter, let's say, for example, let me just go ahead and delete out all. So let's say it's 168 centimeter. Then it gets converted into feet and inches right here, just like this. And this is basically how you can go ahead and add in height converter widget inside of Jotform. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.